lessons we've learned when styling skinny jeans, and there's been a lot, so we're going to fill you in today. Oh, I'm liking this. We're wearing the same jacket just by mistake.
Yeah, by accident.
Yeah.
You know.
We actually wore the same thing to work today as well, by accident.
This is just so hilarious, isn't it? But you know what? What I want to talk about is skinny jeans, right? They've never gone away. And you know what? I'm going to tell you a secret right now. The fact that fashion didn't bring them back. Customers brought them back.
Oh, that's
Isn't
deep.
that weird?
That's
Is that deep? Or
that's
is that
deep.
And
that's
then
deep.
fashion designers had to get onto it because the customers were already onto it. That's what happened. But we were ahead of the trend because we already knew. So we did these, and we've got this corset style.
There's two different shapes today, guys.
Yeah, hot because it makes your booty look amazing.
And
but you've got to be poured into it just like this. Oh my lordy, I'm poured into it. But once you're in it, it's okay. It's okay. I thought I was going to break a nail, but I actually didn't. Believe
No.
it or not. I did not break a nail.
She's one of those people that's like, I can't do it. Like, she can't
be
even pull off
bothered.
a
You know, you heard me yesterday. I can't be bothered.
Yeah.
But when I do it, I'm like, oh yeah, of course.
All right, shall we go a little bit closer and
Yeah.
let's talk about the fits? Okay, we're both wearing different jeans, but they are the same fit. Now, Faye is wearing her size 8.
Size 8.
It's really sculpted to get the miracle effect, has to be tight. You can't have a miracle effect baggy jean. It doesn't work because the fabric's holding you in.
But you know, you can see my booty's flat because, you know, when you're my age, it's going to go flat. But look at that. That is actually giving me a bit of a perk.
Yeah, it's like a push-up bra for your bum.
So it's putting it all in the right potty, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
All the soft flesh in the right
It's
spot.
sculpting it.
That's it, it's sculpting it.
Yeah.
And it's also sculpting my legs, actually.
Yeah.
So if you can really pour yourself in it, you go, girl.
Yeah.
But if not, you're going to look like this, so you're still going to look hot.
Well, so I have sized up and I'm wearing a 10. Normally I wear an 8. We just wanted to show you variation. Go with either jean, right? They're the same fit, but you can kind of see it's just, you know, it feels really great on, but it doesn't, I would say I'm not feeling like it's got that sculpted
Yeah, it's just a
vibe.
nice fitting
Feels
jean,
really
yeah?
nice, classic cut, beautiful jean.
Just checking the colour as well. Is mine dark or is...
I think we're both wearing the dark.
Okay, so maybe I'll show you the lighter
Yeah,
shade.
sure. So
Which,
each jean comes in a dark, which we're wearing now, and we're going to keep on for the whole session. And then they both also come in a slightly paler colour. It is still on the, you know, it's on the darker side because we're coming into winter. But this is it. So Faye was trying on prior.
just so that you can get the
Idea,
idea. See
yeah.
how it's sort of, we call this mid-tone, so it's not chambray. It's a bit too, I mean, winter we prefer to go a little bit darker in any case. So that's we're calling this dark tone and that mid-tone, yeah?
Yep, that's right.
Just so you know.
That's
Maybe
right.
you have to come a little bit closer so you get it. Yep.
Yeah. All right, now let's get into some outfits. Skinny jeans can look really, really cool, and they're a real French girl look.
Oh my
aren't they?
goodness, yeah, they are a French girl look, and we love a French girl look, you know that.
And you'll notice that, you know, the resurgence of ballet flats and all those types of shoes, they really are suited to a skinny jean. I may as well start because Faye's fluffing about. Now, I've got on one of our new shirts. Let me take this off so you get the look. How gorgeous is this shirt?
Oh wow.
And I you know
It's
what? It's like
amazing.
the jacket, I actually don't even need.
No, you don't. The shirt does it all. But what about when it's cold? Are you going to bother? Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, when it's cold. So the way I'm loving this shirt is to have the bow tied up. It also comes in black. I couldn't choose, do I wear white, do I wear black? So you go with whatever you want. I've got my ballet flats on. I've done a belt nice and high just to draw that eye up, make my waist look. And then this is just bad. This is an outfit. This is so French, my outfit.
There is actually a trend. We're calling them poet blouses, I think is the term. That's the fashionista term. That is a poet blouse. So it's kind of like, I don't know, a bit artistic.
I'm writing poetry.
A bit French, a bit, you know, that look. It's this look.
So,
actually.
and you can leave it done like a tie.
And
You can leave it open, which I love.
Oh, I love that.
Actually
And also
love it
comes in
open.
black, just
Yeah.
so you know.
I'm really vibing it like this too, and I'll show you the length now that I've tucked it in.
It's a beautiful
Might be a
fabric,
bit-
by the way.
It's a tencel linen blend, so amazing slash with amazing.
Yeah,
So it's like
amazing all round.
just amazing.
Amazing.
And that's the backside.
Beautiful.
Oh, now that we're showing the backside,
Yeah,
should we show the backside?
why not?
I mean, because the jeans are about the booty.
Yeah.
We don't just want to show
Shall
you
we
our
do a bit of
buns.
a pout with our booty? Yeah.
I don't want to watch that back. I'm just saying. Don't want to watch it back. All right, moving on to you.
Okay, so I'm doing casual. I love a big look when it comes to skinny legs. I think it's got a lot more style. Whether it be heels or even sneakers or even platforms, which I often do. Love a big look on the top. Okay, but you know what? I thought I've got to make it a little bit more feminine because I'm into going a little bit more feminine as I get older. Yeah, I was really into more masculine looks back in the days, but not now. Anyway, so our new bow belt, how gorgeous is that? This is the corset jean. I could have popped it in the belt loops, but I didn't. But this looks really sensational. It's only because, you know, I'm sort of trying to go fast. So this is pretty cool. I'm going to take the blazer off just so you can see, but this is a boss look in itself, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's a pretty stylish look.
You know,
just
that
wonder whether I probably won't do a necklace, will I?
that outfit, before I forget, would
Yeah.
look really cool with sneakers.
Absolutely.
Do you want to put some on or not?
Yeah,
really?
no, I do, because I was saying how sneakers look amazing too. They're probably the best sneakers I can wear. I was going to say my black high sneakers might look good.
Okay, she doesn't want to be short. I'll stand
No,
back
I
here.
don't want to be short.
I'll stand back here so
Stand
we
back
can
there, so you look short and I look really tall.
I get it. I get it.
Okay.
Fine.
It's a short girl thing, right?
Yeah.
Although Lauren's short, she doesn't care. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, look, this looks pretty stylish, especially with the blazer.
Now,
Yeah.
I noticed that you're constantly leaving your pants uncuffed.
I forgot to do them up, that's why.
Did you?
Yeah, but that's a new trend in itself. So you don't have to cuff them if you don't want. So now you've got a choice of cuffing them on the outside, tucking under, or leaving them bunched. Isn't that cool? You have a choice like that.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
I
it is
like,
cool.
like this look as
You
well.
don't even have to try.
You don't-
It's all that's gone. Forget. You don't have to zhuzh it all. Just put it on.
Well, look, to me, it depends on the shoe that you wear. I thought that if you do sneakers, a bit of a cuff like this looks really cool, see? But if you do a heel, I'll show you when I
Yeah, I
take
get
this
it.
off.
Yeah.
You want to leave it down. So, that, you know, there's a method to our madness here.
Yeah.
See?
Oh no, I like it like
Oh,
both
I like
ways.
that too.
Yeah, I like it like that. I
Okay.
really like
well,
it
look,
like
that looks, yeah, it kind of matches. It actually looks really
Yeah.
good. Okay.
Okay, now
Don't bust that myth, but this looks cool like this, doesn't it?
it looks fantastic.
Yeah, it does look
Lynn
so
has
good.
asked a great question, and I want to talk about a few things. Lynn said, "Love the belt, but I've got a bit of a tummy. Will it poke when you sit down?"
No.
No, it doesn't.
No.
It really doesn't.
It's so, we actually experimented with that
tested.
when we designed them, and all it does, it kind of rides up a little bit. It doesn't poke, you know, it doesn't stay solid like that. So it kind of sits where it naturally wants to. Hear that?
It's
Yes.
really fun, but
Yeah,
don't
that's
choke.
fun to do. You don't want to walk around doing it all day long, but you feel like it when you're wearing these jeans.
Yeah, no, I love that.
Nice.
Love that. Now, I've just got on a bit of denim on denim. So denim on denim is a huge trend. Whether you're doing a denim shirt, which we've got lots of actually, I should have grabbed one. That would have looked so cool. Denim jacket.
Excuse me, that's my next look.
Oh, yes.
Denim on denim. with
That's
denim
probably why I
shirt.
didn't grab it. I wasn't thinking about that shirt, but that would look good too.
Oh.
But I've gone for like a little bit of a unique denim. So this is kind of like, it's like a patchwork embroidered kind of really cool fabric. And I've got my cute little top. Now a top like this that has a bit of volume is when you want to go for something quite slim on the bottom. There's a few ways you can wear this. I'm just going to pop that down there. I've still got my belt on and I've got just a black bra under this and it's completely fine. Like it's a bit see-through, but not really. So you can do a bit of a tuck in this top. It's actually got a frill. I don't know if you can see it on camera. There's a seam where there, and then that's frilled on. So if you do a bit of this, kind of just depending on what your shape is. If you want to elongate your legs, see how that just happened? Elongated my legs, right? And I love this with slides too. But then if I just wanted to do that, you can do that too. And because it's slightly sheer, you can sort of see there's a smaller body underneath. When you're wearing something hugely big that kind of has a bit of a structure, it's really nice to have a hint of sheer. This is very feminine.
That is, it's
I
beautiful.
like
I
that.
actually love that.
I really like
But
that.
have a
too.
look at this. Doesn't this
Yeah, it looks
say
amazing. Amazing.
it's got style? But I thought I'd add the choker. Have a look at this sensational choker. Oops, that's caught in there. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, you know I like to slip mine back a little bit. But if you're that girl, you can also do a bit of a front tuck with this. I'm going to pop it into my top and then just blouse it over. And you can do this too. You don't have to show flesh, you know what I mean? Look at that, that's pretty stylish. And then I wanted to add this belt because I think this is pretty stylish too. And don't worry about the metals matching because we like to mismatch metals all the time because they just say you've
Metals
got
of
more
what?
style.
Oh, the necklace
Like the
and that.
necklace, the bow, the whatever. So you can also have this a little bit on the loose side and let it drape. And have a look how pretty that looks. Does that look pretty? Look.
It looks really,
It looks
really,
really pretty. And
Really
you can have your
pretty.
bra, your top, I mean, this is a lot higher than a bra, but if you had your bra on, that would be just perfect. This is so nice. Now I'm not sure about the shoes, but I think they're good. I think this is a good look. I'd probably do ankle chains.
Yeah, it's a great outfit.
Great outfit, so
Great.
easy, suits everyone. And of course, if you don't like it like this, you just wear it out. Because it's a nice proportion. The Brit, which is the blogger without the tuck at the front, is a wee bit shorter, but it depends, you know, on proportion. And to me, this is just a nice proportion for a leggy look.
Can I say what might be true but might not be? Ladies, correct me if I'm wrong. The Brit blogger is suited to you probably if you're 5'4" or shorter, and the other one is for the taller.
Sure.
I mean, I still wear the other one anyway, all the
agree.
time, you know.
Yeah, it's sort of it's a bit of personal taste, and it's not even so much about your height, but it is. It's about whether you have a long torso or a short torso, and long legs or short legs. You know what I mean? All that stuff. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to wear the blazer again. And then I am going to have a little bit of belly showing. Now, I know not too many people can pull this off, but, you know, if you can, give it a go. And then I wouldn't wear that top under there because I don't like that black there. So just disregard that black. But this is quite a nice look too.
It's a great look.
You always want to make sure that you've got something big and floaty over the top, because I think it just looks like you've got more style, yeah?
Yeah, 100%. That, look how, like, I look so tall. That outfit, if you're not quite sure about if you're ready to go back to skinny jeans, what I would say is, as a no-brainer, get a blogger shirt. Doesn't matter which one, just get the one you like.
Yep.
Blogger shirt, skinny jeans, and a blazer. Optional
done.
blazer. You're done.
You are done.
Done.
And you look amazing.
That's your outfit. It will be your go-to. Like, I think that probably there's a lot of women walking around out there in a blogger shirt and skinny jeans, looking really schmick. You know, when you see those ladies, and you're like, she must be rich. They're probably wearing that outfit. I'm
She
just
must
saying.
be rich. I love that.
All right, now I don't like my shoes, but I'm going to talk you through what I've done. So there's a whole vibe about wearing a jacket as a top. We've talked about it, and there's a lot of different ways you can do it, but I'm going for, I don't know what this is called, maybe it's called our midi trench. I'm wearing it wrapped up. I do have this little cami underneath, which is our Tencel body cami. It's like an exact match, which was intentional, not really, but it works really well. And then I've just wrapped this jacket around, but shoes are not. Do you have any good shoes I can borrow? Do you think sneakers or not really?
Well, I don't know. Give them a shot.
Not sure. Okay.
So we've got sort of similar vibe at the moment.
We do.
Did we plan this or not?
You stole my idea, I think.
Well, I had this there already, so I couldn't have. But all right.
Yeah.
Whatever you think.
Okay.
All good. Lucky we love each other.
She stole it.
No.
Alright, so
I
pop
already
on,
had
yeah, I
it.
like this. Pop on any, they're a bit long, I need to tuck them a bit more. I've tucked these jeans under, by the way, to get the right length. That's a cool look. So just a jacket as a top, so you're wearing it closed, so you're going to see more and more and more of this trend, so stay tuned for that. You can put an actual belt, not the self belt, like a real belt, on the outside. And then if you really want to wear it open, I haven't tucked this in, which I should, and have a belt. Just pretend that's tucked in. I'm not going to bother doing it. That's also a look too. Because trenches are a sort of a thing on their own too. Just easy, right? Love the brown and denim combo. Oh, you're stacking belts. You've been waiting for this moment.
I've been waiting for this moment. Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah.
I need another belt. I need one more belt. Oh, yeah. Actually, I like it like this. Have a look. Doesn't that look
Oh,
hot?
yeah, that's very
Does
good.
that look hot or not, ladies? Have a look. That looks sensational. So your bow belt and your classic belt, leave those hanging down. I love that. There's the back. Oh, we forgot to show our back.
Oh, we forgot.
Oh, no. Well, here's the back.
Here's the back.
Here's the back.
You're going to have to imagine the rest.
You know what? I feel like putting on my big black sneakers for this. Sorry.
Okay.
Can I throw it over.
Well, yeah, where are
Just
they?
throw it over.
There's one.
That one will do. Just to get the idea. Thanks, darling.
Okay, just answering some questions. Christine, I am wearing a 10, but I'm an 8. So I'm showing you the jeans a size up if you don't want them too tight. Faye's wearing her size, and then you gotta spill yourself in and just like really suck in for a sec to do them
And
up.
just hold your horses and just breathe in and just pull.
And they feel
really.
good now.
Or they feel fantastic. Or
Yeah.
lie down while you do it up because that's natural. So this is with the boot. Have a look at that. Oh, it looks pretty hot, yeah?
Oh, yeah, it looks really
And this is
good.
with the heel. Look, pretty hot,
They
yeah?
look really good. They look awesome.
A no-brainer. So get your favourite blazer, wrap some belts around, just do a stack and a nice big chunky chunky choker. We've got a couple of brilliant ones now. This is one. Where's the tortoiseshell one? We've got that somewhere.
I don't know.
Okay, and a tortoiseshell one.
Might
Both
go
of,
there.
both of them are brilliant. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, I like that.
Here we are. And the brown one, which probably doesn't go with this outfit, but you know, you get the idea. Okay.
Yeah, cute. Okay, I'm doing another French girl, clean girl look. This is when, this stitch here, is when I'd much prefer to be wearing a size 8 jean. I don't know why, but I really want them skin
on skin.
tight. Like,
Yes,
I just want
yes,
to be printed
okay.
in denim. Anyway, I'm not. So, but you choose what jean works for you. It doesn't really matter. It sort of gives the same effect. Now, this is like a little shift dress. It's in this really cute, super stretchy bubble fabric. Something about this, I don't know, it just gives me very polished vibes. What do you think? And with the ballet
looks,
flat.
to me, it looks very French, very
Very
classy.
French.
If you're one of those ladies that are OCD or very, minimalistic, this is the top for you.
It's just so...
It really brings out your personality. So stylish.
It does. And it's so basic, but so not basic. They're
That's
the ones you
it.
want.
It's like full of style.
Full of style. Have you still got that necklace on? You
Yeah.
do. I like that's
Oh,
a
do you
good
want
one.
this one?
Get that necklace. I want it. I want it right
Yeah.
now.
Okay. Well,
What,
sorry.
can't have it 'cause you're wearing
Can't
it?
have it. Can't have it. That's, I think, is that my ankle trim? No.
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Just
Yep,
gonna put it
that's
there.
fine.
Just for some fine gold jewellery. That can go. Just a bit of bling.
Yeah,
I just need
a
something.
Yeah, that's nice.
Just something. Again, it's a rich girl vibes. It's good look. Good look.
Great look.
And super comfy.
Yeah, and this is my. Oh, that's still undone now.
Oh.
So this is.
This is just sleeping at your boyfriend's house and just putting his shirt on.
Yeah, and just putting your shirt on because
Yeah. And his tie.
because I accidentally stayed there. I know, and I know what everybody's saying. Now, who would do that? Don't underestimate
Faye.
the people that would do that. Yeah, I got a husband, but if I didn't, I'd be doing it.
I'll be doing it.
Yep. So
Yep,
just saying, if I
doing
don't.
it.
Oh, this is this? Oh, this is the other tie I was looking for.
Ah, okay.
This is the plain tie. Well,
It
I
appeared.
love this. It finally appeared, but have a look. How cool is this one?
It's a very
this
cool
is
look.
so Faye Brown, not funny.
Yeah, I like it.
Yep.
I
like
want it to be me too.
Well, you can have this. You can borrow it.
Thanks.
You do it with your ballet flats, and I bet it look just as good.
Yeah, Chris asked just a great question. Would you wear sleeves under this tunic?
Sure, why not?
Yeah.
You could wear
I think you
tinsel, long sleeve, basic under
Yeah,
that.
I think the black...
Just don't show anything around the neck, 'cause I think that would look a bit.
Hey, but no,
nice.
we've actually got some... Yeah, okay, yes. The long sleeve lust top in black might still be
Yes.
some more are coming. Would look great, right?
Yeah,
You
that's-
know what else could look cool?
Uh-huh.
We've got some...
turtleneck.
Sorry, I was going to have a chat.
Yeah.
You know the turtleneck we've
That
got
would
coming?
look really good too.
And it's got little buttons.
Yes, yes,
outside.
yes. Okay, coming soon.
Chris, just wait. We're
Yeah,
going to do it for you.
and you'll love that because it's like we've got a whole selection of undergarments. I think we'll have to put that on our online store. A section of what you wear under, whatever, under, just what you wear under.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
As long as you don't think it's undies. I don't know if you'd think it was undies, but
You have to wear undies under them.
yeah. Well, you probably wear undies.
Yeah, just do whatever you want.
Like us, we wear undies.
Yeah, we wear undies usually.
Well, that's
Yeah.
it. I hope you enjoyed that.
Oh, guys.
Aren't they just so cool?
Oh, they're so
Yeah,
hot.
lovely.
And
Okay.
they're straight, you feel comfy, right?
Like after living in these for like what
The
have I
last,
been
what,
in there?
15?
20 minutes.
Yeah.
They are super comfy. So don't forget, you're gonna have to breathe in to put them on. Okay.
Okay.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye. Mwah.